The Canon EOS 90D DSLR camera. Hello and welcome to Tyson Biziwick's Tech Tuesdays. My name is Tyson Biziwick. This week on Tech Tuesdays, we are unboxing the Canon EOS 90D DSLR camera. Note, this is unboxing only the body. So this is the box that comes with the body only, excluding the lens. This is because I could not afford to buy the one that comes complete with the lens. So I'm just going to unbox this, and when I get the lens, you'll also be able to see me unboxing the lens. In order to improve the quality of the videos that I share here on YouTube and on other platforms, I decided to get a camera best suited for that. So this camera is quite a big deal for me. I've seen a lot of reviews of this camera, and I thought this would be the best one to use for my projects. So this camera has quite a number of features, and it gets me wondering the amount of stuff that you can do with this camera. So to start with, it has Bluetooth, which means that you can connect it to anything that has Bluetooth, your phone, your computer, etc. It also has Wi-Fi, which I'm thinking I'll probably be able to do live videos straight from my camera. I do not know if that's possible. Let me know in the comments if you know what this Wi-Fi and how this Wi-Fi is going to work. It also has HDMI, which I'm assuming that you're able to connect it directly to your TV or whatever else has HDMI in your house. That's exciting right there. It also has eye detection, which means that it works the same way that your phone works. You see, when your phone sees a face, it kind of follows the face and tracks it. In case you're recording yourself, the camera is able to automatically pick where your face is and maybe track it. I'm not sure. So let me know in the comments if you know what all these features are going to give me, the advantages of having all these features in one camera. It has 32.5 megapixels, which is way better than all the phones that I know right now. So without further ado, I'm just going to dig in and put everything aside, everything that comes inside the box. Quite a basic box, not so many stuff to talk about in the box, the way the box is packed and everything. So this is the stuff that you'll get inside this box. Mind you, this is the box that comes with only the body, so the lens is not included in this box. I bought this because it was the cheaper option for me. I couldn't afford to buy the lens together with the body, and I didn't want to compromise on the quality or the type of camera that I was going to buy. So I'm going to buy the body now and then save for the lens later. And I'm not going to buy a mediocre lens. I'm just going to buy the best lens that I can get. So if you guys know the best lens to go with a 90D, the best lens for all purposes, I'm talking about events, I'm talking about filming yourself, I'm talking about YouTube videos, and I'm talking about just a general use camera. If you know the best lens for this 90D that I can use for all purpose, I don't want to have so many lenses, let me know in the comments below, and I'll consider buying that lens to go with this camera. So I haven't owned a camera before, so this is my first time owning a camera. So this camera comes with a camera strap, which so many people claim to not use. I'm gonna try and use it. The battery, that is a 1300 short battery, the charger, and a power cord or the power cable. So that's the stuff that comes inside this box. And it also comes with a manual, very big manual, just because it has so many different languages. I think it has up to 20 different languages on there. So for English, you're just gonna have a few pages. They're gonna be up to 10 or so. So the elephant inside the room, or the camera inside the room, the Canon EOS 90D. This, my friend, is the best camera that I can afford. I couldn't even afford it. This is what I think is the best camera for my projects. Like I said before, I'm not able to do a review. I'm not able to tell you what all those buttons do because I actually haven't started using this camera, and this is going to be my first experience using a camera for my projects. Let me know in the comments if you'd like me to do a review video after I've actually used this camera and after I've learned and after I've taught myself how to use this camera. So thank you so much for watching this video. I'm just going to show you a few different shots from different angles. Please subscribe to this channel and let me know what you'd want me to talk about in the next few videos. I hope that you're going to see an improvement of my videos following me buying this camera. But like I said before, it's going to be a while before I can start using this camera, because at the moment I actually do not have a lens to go with it. So guys, thank you so much for the support. Thank you for watching this video. Let me know in the comments which one is the best lens for this camera, if you know any better. So without further ado, thank you so much for watching this video. My name is Tyson, signing out. Tech Tuesdays, keep it locked here. Thanks, bye bye.